Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about growing a beard and dealing with a patchy beard. Hey guys, welcome back to Gent. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that right now. Tap that little bell. It's very helpful for us. We really appreciate it. We're trying to make it to 100K. Blake is not here again because he is in New York right now at Fashion Week, holding it down for us over there. So today I'm going to talk about something that Blake probably doesn't know much about, and that is growing a beard. So Blake is still in the patchy phase of growing a beard for him. So he grows hair pretty much on his chin and right in a mustache. And now all of us have a patchy phase, whether it's when we're 16 or, up until the end of our life. We all go through some sort of patchy phase. So today I'm going to talk about how to get through that phase and how to grow a beard. You might not believe this, guys, but I didn't have a really nice full beard until I turned about 23, 24. In high school, I pretty much just grew like a chin strap and a mustache, and there wasn't much coming in above my chin right here. Luckily, I don't grow much of a neck beard though, so I'm thankful for that, but it did take a while for this area to kind of come in until I got a little older. So for me, it wasn't really till college until I attempted to grow a beard, because I played hockey in college and all the guys grew out their beards for No Shave November, and then we kind of just carried it on through the playoffs. So I just didn't want to be the one to shave first, so I started growing a beard, and it looked not that great. It was just like a straight L, and I had a really long, like this area, and then there was nothing here. So if I can find a picture of it, I will show you. But some things that kind of helped me cover it up a little bit. So first of all, you just want to build a base on your face, if that makes any sense. So, grow your 5 o'clock shadow out, let it go 2 to 3 weeks, take like a 1 on your beard trimmer, and then just kind of go over everything, get it all even, let it go for another 3 weeks, go up to a 2, get it all even, same, then work your way up. Once you get up to a 4, you're gonna have a good base coat, which, everything that maybe grows a little slower had time to catch up. So if you weren't, you weren't getting this section with the 1 or the 2, now it has the chance to catch up, grow a little bit, and even out with the rest of your face that comes in a lot quicker. And that's mostly why people think they have a patchy beard. I would tell you, one of my good friends, we used to say that he had the Joe Dirt facial hair, which he just grew a goatee and sideburns. And now he has a full beard. He had to get through that little patchy phase. And it's still, a little not as thick right in these areas, but it came in, and now he's just been trimming it down, every 3 weeks, every month to keep it tidy, but it's starting to look a lot fuller and fuller. And that's how you kind of deal with patchy facial hair if you're looking to get a full beard. Just kind of start slow and trim it down, and then slowly go up to 1, 2, 3, 4 on the beard trimmer, and you'll get there. You'll get that good base coat, and then you can just kind of let it grow from there. Number 2 on the list, and I think this one is super important, is to just give your beard time to grow. I mean, it's like you go to the gym for a week and expect to be shredded by the end of it. It's not going to happen. It takes time to grow a beard. It takes time to grow a really good full beard. So if you don't want to commit to it, maybe it's not the right move for you. But if you want to dedicate, 3-4 months to growing a good beard, I guarantee you'll get something that you can at least be proud of. All right, guys, and on to number 3. Some of you may consider this as cheating, but I think it really helps push the process along and make you feel a little bit better while you're in the process of growing the full beard out. So a lot of my hairs come in lighter and blonde. So when I was, first trying to grow out my beard, I actually dyed it with the Just for Men beard dye, and trust me, it was literally night and day because you can see, like, up here, most of these hairs were blonde, so I couldn't even see that they were growing, and it just looked like a chin strap, like I said. But once I dyed the beard, I had a little, more darkness, more definition, so it looked a lot fuller because it was darker. So if you have light facial hair, I recommend, picking up some Just for Men, medium brown, and then just kind of, going over a little bit. I would do like half the time it recommends, because it does get pretty dark, but you can go, twice if you need to do it, because there's a lot in the package, especially if you're working with a patchy beard. I'll have a link to all these products down below and some of my favorite beard accessories as well, so check the description to check those out. All right, guys, up next on the list is something I don't really endorse, but I'm going to put it on the list because I know it works for some people, and that's vitamin and hair growth pills. Now, if you think you need that extra oomph to put you over the edge, it's definitely something worth trying. I've done a little bit of research, and I have links to a few that I think have good reviews and will work well, but I am in no means recommending them, just something maybe to check out, do a little research for yourself. But if you need that extra oomph to get your beard going and it means a lot to you, definitely something that's worth a try. And last but not least, guys, if you're having trouble growing that beard, embrace the patchy facial hair. There are tons of people that pull off patchy beards. I mean, James Franco, Keanu Reeves, Johnny Depp, Chris Pratt, Justin Timberlake, they all have patchy facial hair and they're all considered very good looking men. So, you know, you can get away with patchy facial hair if you embrace it, you let it work for you, you let it work for your style. Let me know in the comments below if you have a beard, if you have trouble growing a beard, what your issues are growing a beard. I guess before we go, some beard accessories I would recommend to get through the waiting it out phase when you're in the itchy and crappy phase of growing a beard, because we all know it gets really itchy and terrible. But I will say beard oil or beard balm, you know, just something to kind of keep your beard conditioned and whatnot. So this stuff is pretty good. You know, I have a few different ones that I use, but they all essentially do the same thing. They all keep your beard moisturized. If you're on the go, I do prefer to use a beard balm, because if you can see, it is more like kind of like a lip balm or a hand salve type thing, and you can just rub it around your finger and then, you know, get your beard on there. And then if you do have like really curly, or your beard is always out of whack, a beard brush is very ideal. So it's like real coarse bristles, and then you can kind of just brush it into shape every morning. It also stimulates hair growth. From what I hear, is brushing your beard is good for you. So there is that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. I hope I encouraged you to now try to grow out your beard, or keep going if you're in the middle of it. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. We're trying to make it to 100K. Like us on Instagram at Gent Lounge. Leave us a comment. You know, leave us a little guy with a beard or mustache emoji on one of our pictures if you have seen this video. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Cheers.